This is your Mental Health Minute, brought to you by Vincennes University, Jasper. With the advent of COVID-19, students are now temporarily being asked to take class and learn exclusively online. Whether your class is completely lecture-based, completely self-driven, or somewhere in between, online classes can certainly pose a challenge for some learners. Here are a few quick tips to help you succeed while completing online coursework. 1. Read the syllabus multiple times to make sure you know how the professor is structuring the class and of any impending deadlines. 2. Connect with others virtually to create study groups or mastermind groups. 3. Keep a daily routine, with schoolwork being a part so you don't fall behind. 4. Take regular breaks to keep your body and mind fresh. 5. Treat school like a job, setting manageable daily and weekly goals. 6. Limit or eliminate social media and multitasking while doing schoolwork. 7. If you have low or impaired vision, or are deaf or hard of hearing, or experiencing another disability, make sure to contact disability services to help accommodate your needs. This has been your Mental Health Minute, brought to you by Vincennes University, Jasper. We're here for you.